Removing a payment method from Google Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully delete your payment information. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account from which you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Access payment methods. In the app, navigate to the Payment Methods section. This can typically be found in the menu or settings, depending on your app version. Step 3. Select the payment method. Browse through your list of saved payment methods. Type on the specific payment method you wish to remove to access its details. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. This is usually labeled as remove or delete. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure you want to proceed. Step 5. Verify removal. After removal, check the payment method section again to confirm that the payment method has been successfully deleted from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods in Google Pay. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Google Pay's Help section for further assistance.